In Never Alone, the gameplay itself makes a firm political point. Adrian Shaw argues that studying games as culture requires looking at the same power dynamics we see in the real world. We see this in the Tundra level, which subverts the lone hero trope by forcing us to play as a young girl and her fox companion. As a player, you are physically implicated in the message of interdependence because you must switch between characters to survive. When I switch to the fox to summon a spirit so Nuna can climb, I am not just solving a puzzle, I am actively practicing the Inupiat value that no one is truly an island. Survival here requires respecting the connections between people, nature, and tradition. Looking at this same sequence from a technical perspective, the feeling of interdependence is actually powered by a unique character swapping mechanic and environmental AI. The developers had to program a follow logic that ensures the secondary character stays close enough to be useful, but out of the way of hazards. Furthermore, the wind mechanic isn't just a visual effect, it is a physics-based system that applies a force vector to the character models. Technically, the game uses these physics to create forced cooperation. The player must use the brace command, which changes the character's friction and weight properties in the game engine to prevent being swept away. This technical synchronization between two distinct sets of physics, Nuna's platforming and the fox's spirit interaction, is what allows the cultural theme of cooperation to function in a digital space. Ultimately, close playing transforms Never Alone from a simple game into a powerful text. By looking at the mechanics through both cultural and technical lenses, we see that every part, from the physics of the wind to the cooperation of the characters, fits together to tell a larger story. For the Inupiat, it's a living archive. For us, it's a reminder that gaming is a space where we don't have to face the storm alone. It proves that whether in the Arctic or the modern world, survival is always a collaborative effort.